Hello, everyone. This is Tyson with the Miami Association of Realtors, bringing you another quick tip video on how to search for new construction properties in the MLS. For this example, we're going to look up single family homes. In order to do so, what you're going to do is you're going to go up here where you see search. Then we're going to go down to RE1, RE2 single family condo and give it a click. And then from here, we're going to use the status active. And then from here, we're going to go down to RES property type, and we're going to select single family. And then under type of property, we're going to select single. Now, there's a couple of different ways in order to search for new construction. For example, you can go over here where you see year built, and then you could type something like, for example, 2022 plus. So what that's going to do is tell the system that you want properties that were made within the past 2 years. And so far, we have a total of 1,648 matches. You can even be more specific. You can search by city. I'm going to use Homestead as an example, as there's a lot of new construction going on in that area. So right now, we have a total of 25 matches based on the year built. We're using year built as being 2022 plus. There's another way to search based on new construction. By adding a field down here under additional fields. From here, what you do is you click add remove, and then you can type in year built. And then you can go right here where you see year built description, give that a click, and then click add. And then that's going to add it as a search option in the MLS. From there, you can click back, scroll down, and then you have this section here, year built description, where you can select new construction as well. Hope you found this tip helpful. You can find more tips like this by going to our YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/miamitrainers. And you can also find videos such as this on our MLS Help Center by going to miamirealtors.com/MLS. And then you'll see the access for the MLS Help Center on the left side of the page. Thank you for tuning in and have a great day.